Welcome to Space Rockets and Spaceships from A to Z. Let's blast off on an epic alphabetical adventure through amazing...
A is for Apollo, the powerful rocket that carried astronauts all the way to the moon.
B is for Buran, the amazing Soviet spaceplane that flew into orbit.
C is for Columbia, the first space shuttle that opened a new era of spaceflight.
D is for Dragon, the amazing modern spacecraft carrying astronauts to the International Space Station.
E is for Endeavour, the resilient space shuttle that continued America's journey to the stars.
F is for Falcon, the incredible reusable rocket that lands itself and makes space travel more affordable.
G is for Gemini, the spacecraft that proved humans could live and work in space and paved the way to the moon. H is for Hubble, the incredible space telescope that showed us the beauty and wonders of our universe.
I is for ISS, the International Space Station, humanity's incredible home and laboratory in space.
J is for Juno, the powerful spacecraft orbiting Jupiter and studying its amazing moons.
K is for Kepler, the amazing telescope that discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system.
L is for Lunar Module, the amazing lander that took astronauts to the surface of the moon.
M is for Mir, the incredible Russian space station that was humanity's home in orbit for many years.
N is for New Horizons, the speedy probe that visited Pluto and explored the edge of our solar system.
O is for Orion, the powerful new spacecraft that will take astronauts back to the moon and beyond. P is for Parker, the brave probe that flies closer to the sun than any spacecraft before. Q is for Quest, the amazing airlock on the space station that lets astronauts go on spacewalks. R is for Rosetta, the spacecraft that chased a comet and landed a robot on it. S is for Starship, the giant reusable rocket ship that will carry humans to Mars.
T is for Tiangong, China's incredible space station and heavenly palace in orbit.
U is for Unity, the important connecting module that joins different parts of the space station together. V is for Voyager, the incredible spacecraft that left our solar system and is still sending messages from interstellar space.
W is for Webb, the powerful space telescope that shows us the first galaxies and distant worlds.
X is for X-37B, the mysterious reusable spaceplane that conducts secret missions in orbit.
Y is for Yoko, the dedicated spacecraft that helped us understand our powerful sun.
Z is for the end of our alphabet, but only the beginning of our adventure in space. Rockets and spaceships take us to